Here's Mullarat for Odell. Dell back for Mullarat to the point over here. Wrist shot, never got through. Now it's loose. Here's Odell. Oh my goodness, how'd that stay out? They wave it. And the Penguins turn it over. Mullarat a shot. Oh, that one's off the shoulder of Menino. Now a penalty coming up, and the spray's going to go to the point for Zach Redmond. Over here, Brendan takes it in front. They score! It's Eric Bell. Oh, maybe was that swell. What a beauty by the Ottawa native. It's a power play goal, and it's 17:53. It's 1-0 St. John's. Lowry with a chance. Here's Morrissey stepping up. Morrissey to the goal. Into the corner and back out the other way. In front, they score! It's Adam Lowry, and it is a 2-0 St. John's lead at 3:24 of the second period. Down the wing. Playing it here for Farnham's. Owner Chuck gets it back. Threw it out in front. It's right there, and Morrissey saved the day on a loose puck at the side of the IceCaps net. Chance for Jerome Sampson. Sampson dragging. Let it fly. Great glove hand save by Peter Menino. To the point for Brendan Kitchen. Kitchen a shot. They score! It may have been deflected in front by Blair Riley, but at 2:23 of the third, it's 3-0 St. John's, and this place is going crackle. And a cycle it free here. Loose along the end boards. Jaffrey continues to battle. Odell's up there. Cormier joins the scrum. They'll rim it back for Redmond. Redmond with a shot. He scored! Zach Redmond has made it 4-0 at 5:21 of the third period. Jordan Hill can't control this spray with a shot. Hutchinson again answers the bell. The whistle is blowing. They're trying to celebrate here. Now it's going to get nasty. Here's the spray coming in on Kingston now. Blair Riley's in the middle of that. Zach Sill is there too. For Dumoulin, no shot. Give and go to Gibbons. They try the backdoor feed. What an outstanding save by Michael Hutchinson. And he's got the rebound as well. Are you kidding me? The St. John's IceCaps are Eastern Conference champions in 2013-14, and they're going to the Calder Cup Championship. Newfoundland and Labrador. How about those IceCaps? The final tonight in Game 6. The St. John's IceCaps 5. The Wilkes-Barre Scranton Penguins 0.
You know what? Everybody was disappointed that we were unable to close out in 5. But you have to be realistic. You have to be realistic. You're in the conference finals, and it's hard to close out 4-1. It's rare that you see series finish off 4-1. It's usually 4-2 is usually how it ends. But we said if we were able to take going down to their building, able to say that we're going to take 2 out of 3 in the opposition's building against a very good team in Wilkes-Barre, we would have been happy with it. As disappointed as we were to lose that Game 5, we were realistic about being able to take those games out of that building and get back up here to our home ice. So a credit to the team to be able to close that out tonight and not let them hang around for Game 7.